Hi, I'm Jordan Sparks. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a pencil turn. So there are actually many different ways that you could go into a pencil turn, but the way that I like to prepare for my pencil turn and the way that I'm going to be showing you guys today in this video is just from a simple ball change. Your arms are going to form a nice L shape, and then you're going to pop off of your back leg into the pencil shape, turned out just barely off the ground, and this arm is going to come and close, and that's what's going to bring you around in your turn. It looks like this. Ball change, pop off. Remember to keep this leg turned out, and your foot is going to be just barely off the floor. The most common mistake that I see in pencil turns is that your foot is lifted just too far off the floor and then you start falling back, so you can't complete multiple rotations. So just make sure to keep your foot just slightly off the floor. Kind of think of like a dégagé. So this is what it looks like. Ball change, close, down. So some little things to remember: really strong arms. The force of this arm, your spot, and popping off of that back foot is what's going to bring you around in your turn. So remember to really ground your feet into the floor, press hard into that forced releve and pop off. Now remember, just like any turn, you want to keep your back straight, you want to keep nice in the line, everything stacked properly. If you'd like to see my turning tutorial on basic turns, I will leave that linked down in the bio. And once you've got your pencil turn down, you can connect it to other turns or other turn sequences or other steps. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like to go from a pencil turn into Alice Combs. Ball chain, pencil, turn. So remember to keep your back flat, remember to keep your core engaged, remember your spot, strong arms, locked straight knees, nice high releve, all that good stuff. So remember to straighten those knees and point those feet hard, and I hope that this pencil turn tutorial was useful for you guys. If you have any other suggestions for different tutorials you'd like from me, let me know down in the comments. And I guess that is it for this video, so as always, make sure to be weird, be wild, and stay sparkly, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.